Tonight, the way you sleep quietly shapes your future health. Your bed is not just a place to rest, it is where your spine resets, your brain clears waste, and your body repairs itself. The wrong position can slowly strain your spine and organs without you even noticing. The right one can turn sleep into powerful recovery. Most people never think about this, but your body feels it every single night. In this video, we will uncover the hidden science of sleep posture and how a small change could protect your health for years to come. Deep inside our DNA, there is an ancient instinct that shapes how many of us fall asleep. For nearly 40% of people, that instinct leads to the fetal position. Pulling your knees toward your chest and lowering your head feels natural for a reason. For our ancestors, curling up protected the most vulnerable parts of the body from danger in the night. It also helped conserve warmth by keeping heat close to the core. But what once felt safe for the brain can sometimes be hard on the modern body. Curl too tightly and your body becomes a compression zone. Your lungs have less space to expand, your breathing becomes shallow, and you may wake up feeling strangely tired. The key is not to curl into a tight ball, but to relax the position slightly. Let your legs extend a little and place a pillow between your knees. This keeps your hips aligned and prevents your spine from twisting during the night. Gently extend your legs and place a pillow between your knees. This simple adjustment keeps your hips aligned and turns an ancient survival instinct into a posture that actually supports your body through the night. In that position, your chest may have slightly less room to expand, which can sometimes encourage shallower breathing during sleep. Less oxygen moves through your body, and by morning, you may wake up feeling strangely drained, almost like you were running in your sleep instead of resting. Your joints face a similar problem. Spending hours locked in a tight curl puts constant pressure on your knees and hips, which can slowly irritate those joints over time. The good news is, you do not have to give up sleeping on your side. The key is simply to loosen the curl. Let your legs extend slightly and place a pillow between your knees. Think of your body like a relaxed shrimp instead of a tightly curled ball. This small change keeps your airways open, supports your joints, and allows your body to recover the way it was meant to. Turning from a tightly curled pill bug into a relaxed shrimp might be the simplest trick to protect your spine while you sleep. The idea is not complicated. Instead of curling into a tight ball, gently loosen the position and let your legs extend a little. This small adjustment relieves the pressure your body puts on itself during the night. One simple tool makes a huge difference. Place a pillow between your knees. That small cushion keeps your hips level and stops your top leg from pulling your spine into an awkward twist. When your hips stay aligned, your lower back can remain in a natural, neutral position instead of collapsing under pressure. Now your body is no longer fighting the mattress. It is working with it. This helps reduce joint stress, ease tension in the lower back, and keep your circulation and breathing flowing smoothly. By mastering this relaxed side sleeping posture, you keep the comfort and security of sleeping on your side while giving your body the space it needs to truly recover. The result is simple. Instead of waking up stiff and heavy, you wake up feeling loose, rested, and ready to move. Once you master the relaxed, loose shrimp alignment, you open the door to one of the most powerful recovery systems your body has. This leads us to a close relative of the side sleeper known as the log position, where the body stays fairly straight while lying on the side. While you are asleep, your brain begins an important cleaning process. It actually shrinks slightly, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow through the brain and wash away brain waste. One of the main targets of this nightly cleanup is beta amyloid, a protein often linked to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Some research suggests that side sleeping may support this process, although scientists are still studying how sleep position affects the brain's cleaning system. In a way, you are simply positioning your body so gravity can assist your brain's natural cleaning system. When you sleep this way, your bed becomes more than a place to rest. It becomes a quiet maintenance system for your brain. Night after night, it helps clear away the buildup of daily mental debris so you can wake up feeling sharper, clearer, and more refreshed. While side sleeping works like a cleaning crew for your brain, some people prefer a position that focuses on perfect spine alignment. This is known as the soldier position. In this posture, you lie flat on your back with your arms and legs resting straight alongside your body. From a mechanical point of view, this is one of the most balanced positions your spine can have. Your head, neck, and back remain in a neutral line without twisting or bending. When your mattress properly supports the natural curve of your lower back, your spine can rest exactly the way it was designed to. This position also has a small bonus for your skin. Because your face is not pressed into a pillow, you avoid the pressure and friction that can lead to sleep wrinkles or irritated skin. In a simple way, sleeping on your back protects two important things at once. It helps maintain healthy spinal alignment while also giving your skin room to breathe through the night. But while your spine may be perfectly happy in this position, your airway might be telling a very different story. This is the hidden trade-off of the soldier position. It can be great for spinal alignment, but it can also create problems for your breathing. When you lie flat on your back, gravity begins to pull your jaw and the base of your tongue backward. As those soft tissues shift toward the back of your throat, the airway can narrow and the smooth flow of oxygen becomes restricted. That is why this position is often linked to louder snoring. For some people, it is just an annoying nighttime soundtrack. But for people who already experience sleep apnea, this position can sometimes make breathing disturbances more noticeable during the night. So while your spine might enjoy that perfectly straight alignment, your breathing system may not feel the same way. In other words, a position that looks ideal for your posture may quietly be working against your ability to breathe freely while you sleep. If sleeping flat on your back feels a bit too restrictive for your breathing, your body might naturally shift into the starfish position. This is basically a more relaxed version of back sleeping, where your arms and legs spread out across the bed. It might look like you landed on the mattress after a long fall, but the position actually has one big advantage. By spreading your limbs out, your body increases its surface area, which helps release heat more efficiently. In other words, your skin starts working like a natural cooling system, allowing your core temperature to drop during the night. For people who tend to overheat while sleeping, this can make a huge difference. But the starfish position is not perfect. Keeping your arms raised above your head for long periods can put pressure on the nerves around your elbows and shoulders. That is why some people wake up with numb hands or that strange dead arm feeling after a night in this position. So while the starfish can help keep you cool, it can also leave your arms paying the price by morning. While the starfish position can help cool your body down, it does little to solve another common problem happening inside your stomach. This is where the side you sleep on actually starts to matter. Your stomach is not centered in your body. It naturally curves toward the left side. Because of that shape, sleeping on your right side can allow stomach acid to move upward toward your esophagus. When gravity pushes that acid in the wrong direction, it can lead to the burning sensation known as heartburn or acid reflux. But when you sleep on your left side, the arrangement changes. Your stomach sits slightly below the esophagus, and gravity helps keep the acid where it belongs. Instead of creeping upward, it stays down in the stomach doing its job of digesting food. For people who struggle with acid reflux, this small adjustment can make a huge difference. By choosing the left side, you allow gravity to support your digestive system rather than working against it. In simple terms, it is one of the easiest ways to give your stomach a quieter, more comfortable night. Even if you have perfectly managed your digestion by sleeping on your left side, some people take a completely different approach. They flip over and sleep face down. This is the stomach sleeper, sometimes called the free fall position. At first, it can feel comfortable and even helpful for snoring. When you lie on your stomach, your tongue naturally falls forward, which helps keep the airway open. But from a spinal perspective, this position can place additional strain on the neck and upper spine over time. In order to breathe while lying face down, you have to turn your head sharply to one side. Imagine keeping your head twisted toward your shoulder for hours at a time. That is essentially what happens every night in this position. This constant rotation places heavy strain on the neck and upper spine. Over time, it can create tension, stiffness, and poor alignment throughout the back. There is also the pressure on your face. With gravity pushing your face directly into the pillow, your skin stays compressed for hours, which can contribute to puffiness and sleep wrinkles. So while stomach sleeping may feel secure in the moment, it often comes at the cost of long-term comfort for your neck, spine, and even your skin. Recognizing these posture mistakes is the first step toward better sleep. But breaking a habit your body has followed for years takes more than simple willpower. Sometimes it requires a bit of smart intervention to gently guide your body in the right direction. If you are a back sleeper whose snoring is shaking the walls of your home, one surprisingly effective trick is the tennis ball method. By attaching a tennis ball to the back of your sleep shirt, lying flat on your back quickly becomes uncomfortable. The moment you roll over, your body naturally shifts back onto your side, helping you avoid the position that triggers heavy snoring. For stomach sleepers who constantly wake up with neck pain, the simplest adjustment may be removing the pillow entirely. Without that extra height under your head, your spine can settle into a flatter and more natural alignment, reducing the strain caused by twisting your neck throughout the night. The important thing to remember is that sleep is not just passive rest. It is an active recovery process that your body performs every single night. Small mechanical changes, from pillow placement to subtle barriers like the tennis ball trick, can help your body work with gravity and your mattress instead of constantly fighting against them. And when your body finally settles into the right position, sleep stops being just a nightly routine. It becomes one of the most powerful recovery tools your body has, quietly repairing, restoring, and preparing you for the next day while you drift through the dark. This content is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for the support.